Welcome to the Bearded Sharpener. Today we have another knife kit from knifekits.com to build. It's going to be 3 segments. This is the Camp Master. Now this is a big knife. In a previous video I showed you did not have to have a whole lot of tools to make one of these knives. But if you're inclined to get a scroll saw like I did, it'll make your job easier. Now we'll change camera angle. Okay, can't have too much light when you're doing this. Went ahead and marked them out, should make it easier. Might want to wear some hearing protection. What all goes together? Now we'll check it against the blade, see how we're doing. So far we're in good shape. We'll tape up the blade here in just a moment. Everyone can see we don't have a whole lot of trimming to do on these. Now that I have everything clamped in place, we'll drill the first hole and put a pin in it. And go slow. There we go, got that one. Now we'll tape these back together. And we'll drill straight down and put that pin in it. Now we'll move the camera angle. Everyone remembers this two-part epoxy has to be mixed equally. That should be enough. Be real generous with this. Decided to wear some gloves this time. It is a little messy. Got that one put on. There we go. I left a little on each side to sand. Didn't need quite that much. Now we're going to wipe this off. We'll put it in the vise. Wipe off as much as possible before we put it in the vise. We won't have a mess. And we'll get a little alcohol wipe. Take up this blade. Now I got the blade clean. Although it hasn't been sharpened, it still has enough of an edge to cut you. Now we'll let this epoxy set up, and we'll come back later and we'll sand everything down.